Intermediate charging drill. This is one of the pre-programmed drills at the range I use. The target on edge goes the full distance of the range, which is 17 yards. Then it spins to show the face and charges you. The drill parameters are to fire 3 rounds before it reaches the bench. The target charges you 3 times in this drill. At an indoor range, moving and shooting is not really an option, so this is a great alternative. You can see how challenging it is to hit a moving target.